Hey guys, I'm Matisse. By day, I'm a medium. By night, I'm a bartender. I was quite hesitant before coming to the course. I knew very little about PSYCH-K, but I had a handful of people in my community that are practitioners and that practice the work, and I really resonated with what they had told me about it. But the morning I came, my entire back seized up, and I was in an excruciating amount of pain. And then I arrived and spent the last 3 days working through a lot of emotional triggers, which really helped to release a lot of the issues in my back. And my expectations were just completely exceeded as to what I expected to learn. I'm just really excited to put this work into practice and to be able to support not only myself, but others down the road from really like a subconscious level, a really deep level. So yeah, I can't recommend this course highly enough. 10 out of 10.